Hi friends, I am entering towards the Bestech Grand Spa Signature Tower for making the video. If you are looking for the very spacious apartment, so it is located in Gurgaon, Sector 81, and it is one of the most luxurious product and the most spacious apartments. So यहाँ पे already आपकी society shops वगैरह operational हो चुकी हैं, आपकी Apollo Pharmacy वगैरह operational हो चुकी हैं. So it is a delivered product. If you compare this tower, so this is one of the tallest tower in New Gurgaon, Sector 81. So we are just entering in it to show you what is the luxury, what is the specification of this apartment is all about. So let me show you the look of this tower from outside. So this is the tower which we are entering. It is a ground plus 30-story tower by the name of Bestech Spa Signature. So we are entering this tower and just taking the things to we are entering the Bestech Parkview Grand Spa Signature Tower. So if you're looking for the bigger size apartments, so they have the bigger things and all that. And the major part of this project is that it has two clubhouses. So once you enter, a lot of greenery is there. So this is the parking which you just go to the basement for the basement parking, and this is the clubhouse which is on the ground floor, and you have the things. This is for the basically visitors parking is this side, and you have the parking of the residents in the basement. So all the basements used to park their cars. See the lush greenery. Basically, in all the Bestech project, which I found of is the security level, the construction level, plus the maintenance of greenery. The level of greenery which is maintained, it's quite great, awesome. See the greenery, lush green. Even the entire periphery of the entire project is lush green. So we are just entering this tower. Let me park the car, then we will just enter the tower. So that is the entry which I show you, and this is the exit. So these all are the visitors parking. So let me park the car and then let me take you through inside the tower. Inside the tower of Bestech Parkview Grand Spa Signature Tower. Yeah. So just going to park the car. So मैं आपको थोड़ा सा brief दे देता हूँ what is this project all about, so that you get an idea. And if you are investing, if you are looking a bigger apartment, if you want a bigger size, so this is a perfect product for you. So just get it inside and take the view. So see the entrance. These all are the visitors parking जो आप बराबर में स्कूल देख रहे हैं. दिस इज द सिद्धेश्वर स्कूल विच इज़ इन सेक्टर 81. अगर आप इस साइड देखेंगे तो यू विल फाइंड Bestech आनंदा. इट इज़ द फर्स्ट Bestech प्रोजेक्ट इन न्यू गुड़गांव. ये बराबर में जो प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे हैं दैट इज़ DLF अल्टीमा. इट इज़ अगेन अ डिलीवर्ड प्रोडक्ट. तो 81 में सुपर लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर अल्टीमा आता है और Bestech का ग्रैंड स्पा आता है. दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस lobby or the entrance of the Bestech Grand Spa. So it is a beautiful greenery, a lush greenery, the huge fountain at the entrance which you have inside the product. So that gives a great feeling once you enter inside the project. So they have the lobby at the ground floor which I am entering, and a huge water body. Currently this is a great water body which you find at the entrance of this project. So very well maintained. So this is the front lobby, and